finance after 40.rss free. This is what I got from donating just $1. And if you follow my basically ZK Sync tutorial on Gitcoin, this is what you're getting. Let me show you step by step how you can get this domain name. And once they go live, this is like Twitter for basically for crypto. RSS free, super popular. I hope this coin will be huge. I got my name for free and I will get an airdrop for free. Not free, it costs $1. Hope you got the same. So what am I talking about today? Let me show you exactly. If you follow my steps in the ZK Sync basically tutorial, welcome to RSS free GR12. Remember, we donate to about 10 random coins, not random, like calculated risk coins. We spend 10-11 bucks. Support by Web3 Pass, rss.bio. If you donated to us in GR12 in Gitcoin, you will get Pass coin to claim a free testnet RNS. It's not complicated as it sounds. I'm gonna show you step by step how to get your free domain from giving away $1. Hopefully $20,000 airdrop once it goes live. Also, you'll get a chance to try new products once we are live after the testnet. Join the RSS free community. So step 1 on Gitcoin, we gave them $1. Step 2, they gave us back. What do they give us? Take your address, okay? Take all the links, of course, in the description. Take your MetaMask address, okay? This is step 1 to see that if you are actually eligible. Copy your MetaMask, put it in here, and then you will see from all the list of all those basically addresses, my address is eligible for this airdrop because I gave them $1. How crazy is that? For $1 I'm gonna get a lot of money. Even $2 is good, but I think it's 5-figure plus. Hopefully, and if you like it so far, my name is Eve, so known as Finance After 40. Subscribe, follow all the tutorials. It's free money. Free $1. $1, it got me into this. So step 1, check that your address is here. Once it's here, because you gave $1 away, which should also cover your ZK Sync bonus point for ZK Sync airdrop, you go to here. You need to add Rupstan testnet, okay? Those are the steps. Step 2, we're gonna add this one, Rupstan test network on Ethereum. So it's free. So instead of paying Ethereum gas fee, we're doing this on Ethereum testnet. You search ETH test, okay? Search network Ethereum test, and you're gonna add the second one right here, Ethereum testnet Rupstan, okay? Click connect wallet, connect the wallet, do all those steps, and basically you're good to go. And once you have this Ethereum testnet Rupstan in here, okay, you see here, you have zero balance, zero Ethereum balance. You need Ethereum to pay Ethereum fees on a testnet. It's free, but you need to use a faucet. So you're gonna go here. Where's the website? That's here we go. Also link in the description. Rupstan Ethereum RETH faucet. Receive 5 RETH per request. Enter your Rupstan address. Okay, so just gonna copy paste your MetaMask wallet. I've done it yesterday. Bicycle, all that stuff. Okay, you want me to find more bicycle? Fine, here's bicycle. I'm not a robot. Send Rupstan Ethereum. Congratulations, your address has been added to the queue. If you found our service useful, so send. Okay, already done. Basically, and then you just wait. I have to warn you, it takes an hour. Go make coffee, go do something. But basically, once you click here, there's nothing you can do. Come back in an hour, and then your MetaMask wallet will have 5 ETH. That's basically what you're gonna have. Takes an hour, give or take, at least for my experience. Once you got 5 Ethereum on Rupstan, you can actually claim your free domain name that cost you $1 Gitcoin ZK Sync Checkout Express tutorial. So then you're gonna go here, okay? Rivery.so, all the link in the description, guys, as always. And I already claimed, but I'm just gonna show you how. Finance after 40 .rss free is gonna be a social one, a social domain. If you click here, okay, just on the home page, you see a lot of people have already started using this. People just putting their names in here. Cryptocurrency, that's a premium one. Cryptocurrency.rss. Basically, find NFTs, donation, You're gonna put in here your address. Gonna put in here your address. You're gonna click go search, and this is what I got. Finds after 40.rss, and it finds everything that I have, except from the nom and the unstoppable domain, but I'm sure it will add. You see, I have an NFT daytrader.bnb video from yesterday. Go subscribe to my channel. Finance after 40.bnb, and this one I just got it today. Finance after 40.rss free, got an NFT. How do you actually claim? Basically, there is a button in here. It's not here now because I used my claim for free, but there's a button that says claim. You click claim, you put your MetaMask address, you click confirm. It's gonna charge you gas fees from the testnet, which you already have. And it says congratulations or something, and there you go. And then you have then you have web free pass, which is what I got in here. And it could be big. It could be big. A lot of people are talking about it on Twitter. It's free. It's $1. And once they go live, they're gonna airdrop to everyone. And we are already in. So I hope this was valuable, guys. And subscribe, like, check all the links. And if you want to support this channel, Patreon in the description. And I'll see you next time.